Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I want to be showing you how to locate your AdMob Ad Unit ID. Okay, so in some cases, maybe in your Android app or iOS app, you might have where you're requested to provide your AdMob Ad Unit ID. Remember, it's different from your AdMob or AdMob app ID. Okay, so this one is the Ad Unit ID. Every ads unit you create, like the banner, interstitials, and all that, have their unit ID. Okay, so the ad unit ID is what I'm talking about here. Some people get confused on how to get that and how to locate that. So I want to show you how to locate it. So just go to your AdMob dashboard. So when you go, like I'll have here my dashboard. So click on apps on your left sidebar. Click on apps. So you see all the apps you have. You select the one you want to get the ad unit ID from. In my case, this giver. So now it opens. So you have here. So by that left side menu again, you're going to see left side bar, sidebar. You see ads unit. So you click on them. So you're going to see all the ads unit that has been created for that particular app, right? Then look under the title of the ad unit. Under ad unit, the title here, you see banner ad one, native ad one. You're going to see code here, CA dash app dash pop. This is the ad unit ID. Okay, so you click here, you take your mouse over this icon, the copy icon. So it's going to say copy add unit ID. So once you do that, it said add unit ID, copy to clipboard. So this is what you need whenever you come across this that says you should provide your add unit ID. Just proceed down here and grab them depending on the ad. This is the banner ad and this is the native advanced ad. So you just click there and copy. So that is how to locate and copy your AdMob Ad Unit ID. That will be all for now, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.